I've been suffering from a condition known as endometriosis for the last 18 years, and in the last 2 years it became worse.
Okay.
So my lungs started collapsing.
Family ya The Rate Reggae Queen TV host Jabi Koikai ni yaritie na kuheana muthenya wa igongona ria mathiko ma kuhurukia Jabi na gutariria kiria gibatarikaine mbere ya muthi uyu wa Friday tariki 14th June niguo mahote kuhurukia mwana wao na mugaro na expectations ya mafans make na Kenya ingi. Jabi ndagakorwo akihurukio kwa mucie kwa aciari ake indi agakorwo agithikwo mugunda wa Tofuri ni itumiria family yake itariire na mbere ya gutamburukirie ndeto ici na ingi nyingi ngakwihoya na gitio kinene muno witikire gusubscribe thini wa channel ino itu niguo twekira video njeru ukamukagira uri wa mbere. Giko kia Mary Jabi Koikai uri uroikaine ta Fire Mama ni gitigite bururi mugima na kia kinene a Kenya mafans doctors ona reggae artist all the way kuma bururi wa Jamaica magithie na mbere gutuma ndomereri ciao cia macakaya kuri family ya The Late Jabi uria wahurukire kiambiriria kia wiki hetuku kumana na ndwari ya kahinda karaihu. Jabi has fought with endometriosis for more than 2 decades makiria ma miaka 20 kuma riria ambiriirie guthinio ni ruo runene rwa murimo wa endometriosis uria arigititwo ni madagitari na kuhetukira surgery 21 bururi wa US hingo iria she was referred on an emergency situation kuona madagitari kuma guku bururi-ini na Africa ngima ni maremetwo ni gwetha kihonia kia ndwari yake iria yambiriirie wa miaka 13 when she started experiencing her first cycle ya menstruation. And Jabi in her last interview egie urigiti wake in the USA ni aritie na gutariria how she miraculously survived through a rough medical treatment surgery cia mahuri surgery 21 to a point ni akinyete mwiso, but God was just with her aki overcome na gucoka bururi-ini in a mega homecoming event. Jabi Fire Mama ni amurirwo ta ambassador na champion wa endometriosis bururi-ini and still ni ahitahitaniire giturwa kia mubunge wa Dagoretti constituency githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka wa 2022 unsuccess free iguru riake gukorwo ni mundu wa gwituma muno na maundu maingi na family yake riu ni aritie na gutariria ndeto makiria ciege muthenya wa mathiko oho na mibango iria itanyitwo gukorwo itafanitio mbere ya mathiko make. Na baba wao akiaria ayuirwo ni ruo rwake hakinene ni ugite Jabi agakorwo akihurukio muthi wa Friday June 14th mugunda-ini wa Kaburi wa Lang'ata Cemetery akiuga family niyo yendekithitie o Jabi ahurukio hakuhi na haria cucu wao athikirwo miaka kindu inana uguo mihituku makiuga Jabi had a close relationship with her late grandmother uria wahurukire kumana na murimu muru wa cancer. Na in an interview mwena Jabi ni aritie ndeto ciege their late social akiuga kena mami wao nio mari mentors ake na warriors ake kuona ni marugamire muno nake kuma hingo iria ambiriirie ku experience ruo rwa ndwari yake haria Jabi augite gikuo gia cucu wao ni kia muhutirie na njira nene amu she was one of those people she looked up to. Tukiuga moyo wake uthie na mbere kugia kihuruko gitathiraga oroho family ya Jabi ni tariririe na kuga aramithia mweri 13 June ni gugakorwo na igongona ria memorial service kanitha-ini wa All Saints Cathedral Nairobi haria maikite ihoya kuri Akenya na mafans ma Jabi mathie na mbere kumanyitirira na njira yake mbeca niguo mahote gutabania mathiko make oho na kuriha biru ya thibitari makiuga marabatara milioni 3 kuri pay bill details isigwikireire haha kuri mundu uria ungienda kunyitirira family no ya Jabi. Na the later Rastafarian Jabi Koikai uria uhurukite wa miaka wa ukuru wa miaka 38 arari a mentor to many Kenyans and beyond na advocate wa maundu megie atumia na murimo uyu wa endometriosis ni aritie in one of her interviews ndeto ciege kamuturire gake akiuga kuona akurire atari na godfather ghetto girl na kurerwo ni single mother nikio gitumi giake na kihumo giake gia kwirutaniria muno muturire-ini wake nginya riria andikirwo wira wake wa mbere wa gutwika news anchor thini wa television ya KBC mwaka-ini wa 2009 but thereafter she joined radio na ku DJ oho na ku host event cia reggae across the country. Na kuringana na ndeto iria ikoretwo igitambio ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria ciege gitumi kia Jabi guthikwo Lang'ata Cemetery ndeto itigite mashabiki ma Jabi megegeire muno na kimako kinene uhoro uria uthiururukitio ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria ni bloggers matongoretio ni Nito Mwangi akiuga mambo yamechemuka. It turns out that Jabi Koikai Fire Mama is a Luhya, her father is a Maragori while her mother is Kikuyu. If you visit TikTok you'll see many videos of her creating content in Kimaragori. Now here is the twist. According to Maragori culture, a woman who has reached the age of marriage and doesn't have children should be buried by the fence. However, this doesn't sit well with both her parents and family members, so they have decided to bury her in a public cemetery, Rangata, and the burial shall be on Friday the 14th. She didn't have the ability to have children because of her condition, but culture is culture. This being the saddest thing to be seen on social media, ni mafans ma Jabi considering her condition no ikorwo igitumi kinene giake gukorwo atari ahika even kugia ciana ciake. Indi culture nayo igithie na mbere kumuhatiriria makiria. Ndeto iria imenyekanite kwa gukorwo ni agwiciririo ni gikundi kimwe kia Kenya kuona family ya Jabi ni heanite gitumi kia Jabi guthikwo mugundaini wa Tufuri. Oroho Jabi in her interviews ni ageretie gutariria relationship yake na susu wao. Unaita wa deepest condolences to the entire reggae lovers, mafans na arata a Jabi for the painful loss. More so to her family, mom and dad, poleni sana, and to the reggae queen, TV host, Rastafarian champion, women's advocate, and a politician, Mary Jabi Koikai. May your soul rest in eternal peace. Fire Mama Kikuyu 254 News. Subscribe.